morning children. Let us see this question of division 12 divided by 3. 12 divided by 3 question has been asked to you. So foremost thing what you will be going to do is write in the division format. You have written 12 in the bracket and 3 outside. Okay, 3 is the divisor and 12 is the dividend. So you will write down like this. After that, which table you are going to read? 3. Okay. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12. So do we need to go more? 3 fives are 3 6 are no na, because we came to the number 12 and our dividend is 12. हम लोग 12 तक पहुंच गए हैं. हमारा जो नंबर्स है डिविडेंड 12 है, 12 तक आ चुके हैं. सो नो नीड ऑफ गोइंग रीडिंग द फर्दर टेबल. यहाँ तक आगे स्टॉप हो गए. वी हैव रीच 12 नंबर 12. सो व्हाट वी हैव टू डू? 3 fours are 12. That means how many times? 4 times. So this 4 will write down upside like this, and again 12 we will write down below 12 and put the subtraction sign, and we will do the subtraction. 12 minus 12 how much? 0. Okay, so if it has been asked to you, tell the number, what is question, what is remainder, dividend, divisor, how you are going to write down? See, divisor is here 3. Okay, dividend is here, what is the dividend here? 12. Quotient is here 4 or 0? 4. Remainder is here, children, tell me the remainder. 0. Okay, let us see again. Divisor is the number 3, dividend is the number 12, quotient is the number 4, remainder is the number 0, and 12 divided by 3, our answer of quotient is 4. Okay, so children, fill in the boxes. Our next question is fill in the boxes. It has been taken from your textbook, page number 108. 2 questions I have picked from the textbook, and let us revise that question. 5 equal groups, that means 5 groups are there. You have to write down in the division form. And 4 equal groups are there, 4 equal groups, and you have to write down in the division form. First, see how many groups? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 groups are there. And in each group, how many dots can be seen? 3. How many dots can be seen, children? 3. सारे ग्रुप में कितने डॉट्स हैं? 3 डॉट्स हैं. So how you write down this in the division form? 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. कितने डॉट्स हैं? 15. 15 divided by how many groups? 5. ये आपका क्वेश्चन रहेगा इन द डिवीजन फॉर्म. फर्स्ट सी टोटल नंबर ऑफ डॉट्स आर देयर 15. कितने में कितने ग्रुप्स हैं? 5. सो यू हैव टू सी इन ईच ग्रुप कितने डॉट्स होंगे. ऐसे भी पता चल रहा है 3 होंगे. ओके, इन ईच ग्रुप हाउ मेनी डॉट्स कैन बी सीन? 3. अगर इसको डिवीजन वे में फॉर्म करेंगे, सो हाउ यू आर गोइंग टू डू? डिविडेंड 15, 5 is the divisor. Read the table of 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15. We got the number 15 3 times. 3s are 15, subtraction 0. Okay, कहने का मतलब है चिल्ड्रेन, इसको हमको डिवीजन फॉर्म में लिखना है. लाइक दिस फॉर्म इट इज बीन आस्क्ड इन योर टेक्स्ट बुक. कैसे लिखेंगे? पहले डॉट्स जितने हैं काउंट करो. टोटल कितने डॉट्स है? 15. डिवीजन के साइन. देन कितने ग्रुप्स पूछा है? 5 ग्रुप. 5 ग्रुप है वो लिख दिए. आफ्टर दैट सी इन ईच ग्रुप कितने डॉट्स हैं? 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3 डायरेक्टली लिख दो. अगर उनको आपको डिवीजन फॉर्म में करना है बाय यूजिंग दिस मल्टीप्लिकेशन टेबल, यू हैव टू डू इट लाइक दिस मैनर. ओके, लेट अस सी नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. 4 equal groups. First, see total number of dots. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 dots. 12 divided by 4. Okay. By directly seeing this figure, फिगर सी, ईच ग्रुप में कितने डॉट्स दिख रहे हैं? 3. राइट डाउन आंसर दैट. और एल्स बाय यूजिंग द मल्टीप्लिकेशन टेबल, फिगर नहीं दिया है, देन हाउ यू आर गोइंग टू डू? 12 4 division, 12 dividend 4 division. Read the table of 4, find 12. See, we got 12. How many times? 3 times. 4 3s are 12. Subtract 12 minus 12, we get the answer as 0. हमारा आंसर आया 0. So ये 3 जो 3 times आंसर आया है क्वेश्चन में, it is our answer here as it is. अगर हमको डॉट्स सिंपल, अगर फिगर दिया है बाय सीइंग इन ईच ग्रुप वी कैन राइट डाउन द नंबर ऑफ डॉट्स, बट अगर फिगर नहीं दिया है देन हाउ यू आर गोइंग टू डू? लाइक दिस मैनर, ऐसे फॉर्म में आपको लिखना है. देन डू द डिविजन प्रोसेस लाइक दिस एंड फाइंड दिस आंसर 3 एंड राइट डाउन इन दिस क्वेश्चन आस्क्ड. ओके, so children, next question we have 20 divided by 4. 20 divided by 4, how you are going to do? This 20 is the dividend. Write this in this bracket form. This 4 is a divisor we have written. Then read the table of 4. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are how much children? 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20. So we got the number 20. How many times? 5. 4 5s are 20. What we will do now? Subtract or add? Subtraction. 20 minus 20, 0. Okay, so in this our divisor is 4, dividend is, children, dividend 20, quotient is 5, and our remainder of this division is 0. Okay, and in this form how you are going to do? See, what is the dividend? 20. Write down this dividend. Okay, divisor 4 written, and the answer how many times you have to write down? कितने times आया है? That is 5. Our answer is here 5. So we will write down 5 like this. 20 dividend, divisor is the 4. After the second place we have to write down here. Then in the answer you will write down this question 5. Okay. So children, that's all of today's class. Thank you.